Today, we're diving into the Acer Aspire 1 D255e-2677 replacement laptop LCD screen. This 10.1-inch display boasts a WSVGA LED diode, offering a maximum resolution of 1024 by 768. Acer, a trusted brand, delivers a display that's not just a substitute but a quality replacement. The connectivity technology is via VGA, providing a reliable and widely compatible interface. The SVGA wide resolution ensures a crisp and clear visual experience for various applications. Whether you're working on documents, watching videos, or browsing the web, this LCD screen aims to deliver. The 10.1-inch size makes it a suitable choice for portable devices, maintaining a balance between portability and usability. The LED backlighting enhances energy efficiency, contributing to an extended battery life for your laptop. In summary, if you're in need of a replacement LCD screen for your Acer Aspire 1 D255e-2677, this WSVGA LED diode option is worth considering. It's a practical solution that doesn't compromise on display quality, making it a fitting choice for those looking to revive their laptop's visual experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.